Hi, I'm Stu and welcome back to another LumaFusion video tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you a simple little text stutter effect that you can apply to your titles. Just before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, tick the bell for notifications of new video tutorials, and also maybe share the video with a friend or two. So let's take a walk around the timeline. I've got 3 layers of content here. The top layer, which is marked in green because it's chroma key, is this text stutter effect. I created this in Mojo app. Then we've got our balloon festival below, and then we've also got a running water sound effect, which we'll come to later on. First thing I'm going to do is switch off the video and audio layer. We're then going to zoom in a little bit more to the text stutter effect. When you're zoomed into the timeline this far, it makes what we're about to do so much easier. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to just work in 1 frame increments and work along the text stutter effect. So we highlight our text layer, and starting at frame 1 we'll make a cut, go into frame 2, make another cut, just keep repeating this until you've done about 12 frames. Gives you half a second of the stutter effect. Now to create the stutter, what you're going to do is remove some of the clips. Starting on frame 1, we'll take away frame 2, take away frame 4, and then 6, so on and so forth until you've removed every other frame. And then what happens is that when you play it back, you get this stuttering flash effect at the beginning. Now to really sell it, we need to switch on our running water layer again, and from there we need to do some cuts. So let's highlight the running water, and then from there do a cut. Just keep working along, making those cuts. Again, you want to do enough so you've got roughly half a second of footage cut. So there we go, and then the last one. Now what we're going to do this time though is we're going to remove the opposite to what we did before. So we take the first frame away, we take the third, and we're going to work in the odds this time. So that then works out at us having visual, audio, visual, audio, visual, audio, so on and so forth. And then if we play that through, you can see the effect. To finish the effect off, we're going to move to the back end of the video clip. Again, we'll just switch off our 2 layers below, and we want to make cuts 12 frames but working towards the left, so you're working backwards. So just 1 cut and just slide it over, make sure everything's fine, and then just work your way through until you've made effectively enough cuts. You could do more or less, but it's up to you. Just get rid of that one, I went too far there. There we go. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And again, we'll switch that layer off, and we'll go down to the bottom, the audio, and again, we'll just cut from here back the way. So cut, and you can use the little jump forward arrow keys to align everything up with the timeline, which makes it a little bit faster to do. And then what we want to do is just remove, let's say we'll keep this cut and we'll remove every other one. So switch them both on, highlight the one you want to get rid of, tap delete, and you may as well do below as well. And this time, rather than doing an offset audio, we're making the audio match the text. And again, at the back end, you'll see the effect much better this time because now the text stutter effect is actually fully in the actual timeline. So we'll play it through. And one last time, here's the finished effect. Now obviously you can change the duration in the middle, how long the text is actually going to be there. That's down to personal preference. Anyway, there you go. A cool little text stutter effect where you can flicker the text, and I will see you on the next tutorial. Bye!
If you like the video, then give it a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials every week, and ring the bell to get notified of when Stu has uploaded a new video tutorial. You have been watching I Am Stu. See you later.